We may be at the garden, but it's not vegetable today. It's paella. And it's not just paella, but black paella, arroz negro, or black rice. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romelo at the garden. Finally, gardening time is here. The temperature has reached 30 degrees today from the 1 degree Celsius that we had the other day. So to celebrate, I'm cooking today. No harvest yet, so it's seafoods. It's special seafoods because it's seafoods paella and it's black rice. Paella negra or arroz negro. We have very simple ingredients that I'm showing you now. This is a rice dish, so rice, onion and garlic, prawn pork toppings or shrimps, squid or cuttlefish, paprika powder and saffron. Saffron is optional. Shrimp stock also optional, and olive oil. Making this shrimp stock is easy. There's a video in the description box. I made shrimp stock from shrimp heads. Not shown here because I forgot it at home. My cameraman will be bringing it. Is the tinta or the ink of the squid. Although it's just it's just a shame that I can show you how to extract or to remove that ink sac from the squid. I went to the store yesterday, but there are no fresh squid. So instead, I'm using frozen cuttlefish. To top it later, prawns. I might as well explain the ingredients. I'll be cooking it as authentic and as traditional as possible, so I'm using olive oil, virgin oil, or virgin olive oil. Now the rice. Use the long grain rice. Ideally the paella or the risotto rice or the bomba rice. Don't use the Thai or soft rice. Use that variety that remains chewy and hard even when cooked. Simple, just garlic and onion. The heart of the recipe, or of Spanish cooking even, paprika or pimenton. We also need tomato sauce. Not everyone uses this, but generally saffron is used. I think that's it. Keep them away from the flies. Let's set this inside for now. And we can start preparing the ingredients. For this dish, small sizes is preferred, or small bits. And same for the garlic. Just crush it, or slice it into small bits, or thin slices, I should say. This wok can be dangerous, really. As I earlier mentioned, we'll be doing this in the traditional way. So we'll be frying first the cuttlefish, sepia in Espanol. My paella pan is too small, that's why I'm using this wok. Ideally 1 tablespoon per person. Okay, I think we can fry the... It smells the cuttlefish now. I can now smell the fried cuttlefish, so we can remove them from the oil. On the same oil, we'll be stir-frying the garlic and onion. It's windy, so we're moving inside. Critical point is the addition of the paprika. We'll be using 1/4 teaspoon. Oh no, it's just 1/4. Yeah, 1/4 per person. My man agrees this year. Okay, we forgot the paprika. Yeah, this easily burns, that's why be quick. Yeah. Madam Grace can wait. Thank you to my cameraman. This is what I was mentioning earlier. This ink, squid inks. They are available at Sligro. Thank you, by the way, Myrna, for giving me this. 1 sachet for 2 persons. 1 sachet per 2 servings. So I'll be putting this all. And we add the tomato paste. That was too close, I think. My face. That will do now. And we add water. 1 portion rice, 2 portions water. Alex is now mowing the lawn. And we add the saffron shreds. Good. I also mentioned using the broth that I made from the shrimp heads. We will be adding it now. It's still in frozen form, but directly. Ideally, I should have told this both, but no time. Ideally, in a flat pan, this would cook in just 15 minutes. 12 minutes at high flame, and then the rest at low medium. This would be the last time I would stir the rice. Time to put the finishing touch. The prawns. Around 5 more minutes at low flame, very low flame. It's cooked. So I brought it outside, and it's time to top it with lemon. We're using calamondino instead, or calamansi. Paella negra, made the traditional way, well, as close as possible, and shared here on Channel 1. You could do the same. Let's bring it to Madam Grace. Madam Grace, Megan! And to complete the Andalusian or Spanish experience, we'll be eating this with cava. Great food from simple ingredients. You can do it too. Thank you for joining me here today with my Madam Grace, Alex, and our cameraman. See you on the next video.
Madi na makatuturo no kutsara na. Nya nagimas.
Honestly, this was really very good. It tasted very good. That's why I enjoyed even the burnt crust. and no leftover. Everyone satisfied. Gawa na.